Hey there! My name is James, and I am a virtual expert of Merehead company. Today we are going to talk about the development process of cryptocurrency exchange platforms, their types and main functions. Ready? Let's go then. A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform that allows users to buy-sell a variety of tokens. It's like a stock exchange, but instead of stocks, you buy or sell cryptocurrencies. For start, let's define what types of crypto exchanges there are. Centralized exchanges. The most common type of trading platform, the main feature of which is the presence of a centralized operator responsible for the security, updates, and functionality of the exchange. The main advantages of centralized platforms are the speed of crypto transactions and the absence of liquidity problems. The main weak point is security, since centralized exchanges store user funds in their wallets, which, as practice shows, are often hacked. Decentralized exchanges. Such platforms bring sellers and buyers of cryptocurrency together, giving them the ability to automatically exchange assets without the participation of intermediaries to validate the transaction. The role of the guarantor of the transaction is assumed by the platform's smart contracts, which operate on the basis of open-source software. This mechanism allows you to save on commissions, no need to pay intermediaries, and increase the level of security. The exchange does not have access to money and the private keys of users. However, you should keep in mind that on such exchanges, the lack of third-party moderation shifts all responsibility for errors to the users themselves. Peer-to-peer exchanges. These are essentially online message boards for buying or selling cryptocurrency. Users enter the platform, look for a counterparty with a supply offer, denomination, amount, rate, transfer method, and contact him to agree on an exchange. You can buy a crypt in this way using fiat, gold, or ordinary goods, as the parties agree. In this case, the transaction can be carried out both online and in person. Instant exchangers. Platforms that act as a regular exchange point are very easy to use. All the user needs to do is open a trade order, and it will be instantly executed. This is possible because such sites act as a broker that provides access to the liquidity of many exchanges. Fee for speed is an increase in the number of intermediaries, which leads to higher commissions and a decrease in the level of security. Also on the market, you can find hybrid platforms that combine the properties of centralized and decentralized exchanges. Basic and advanced functions. Authorization and verification. The path of an ordinary user to trading on the exchange begins with registration via email or accounts on social networks and Google. But the registration itself is usually not enough to start trading. This requires personal identification, verification. Platform trading engine. It is responsible for the basic functionality of the trading platform. For example, a trading engine checks the balance in a user's wallet to make sure that they have enough funds to make a transaction. It also compares trade orders and rates in real time, carries out transactions, processes information about prices and commissions, creates charts, etc. User interface. Depending on the target audience, the user interface can be simple and intuitive or relatively complex due to the many indicators, trading signals, customizable charts, and other tools of an experienced trader. Exchange admin panel. Includes a panel for tracking the current state of the exchange. Traffic, trading volume, number of transactions, income from commissions, traders, wallets, transactions and content. Cryptocurrency wallet. If you are developing a centralized platform, then you need the functionality of an internal wallet. It is needed for faster access to money, which speeds up the process and makes it easier, as well as to ensure the liquidity of the exchange. In the case of decentralized and peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchanges, there is usually no need to create an internal wallet. Order book and transaction history. An order book is a list of open orders to buy or sell a cryptocurrency. The exchange creates it automatically, grouping orders for the purchase and sale of crypto assets into separate lists and comparing them. When an order finds an offer that matches its conditions, the system automatically exchanges and closes the order. A closed order disappears from the order book and goes into the transaction history. Analytical tools for traders. This functionality will help attract experienced traders to the platform. Analytical tools allow you to receive additional information about the current state of the market, predict its movement, analyze trends, create and test trading strategies. When starting a crypto exchange, you have to decide what indicators you want to see on your platform. The required options are Relative Strength Index, RSI. Moving average, MA. Moving average convergence divergence, MACD. KYC, KYT, ML compliance. If you want to work in the American, European, and other markets, where exchanges are subject to increased requirements for combating money laundering and terrorist financing, then you need to implement the following procedures and standards into your trading platform. KYC. Know your customer. KYT. Know your transaction. Compliance with AML. Liquidity management. Traders need an exchange that allows them to easily exchange one asset for another in no time. This is only possible if the site has enough liquidity. Orders to buy or sell crypto to complete the transaction at a reasonable price. You can provide liquidity by third-party market maker. Creation of an inter-exchange market. Liquidity mining. Architecture, technology stack and API. Exchange architecture. This concept usually means the structure of the platform, which helps to logically and visually define the relationship and the way of interaction between all the components of the exchange. The login screen, the trading engine, the user interface, security functions, API, databases, etc. Technology stack. It is a set of development tools such as programming languages, libraries, frameworks, database management systems, compilers, APIs, etc., for creating the backend and front-end of the platform. Push notifications and alerts. A cryptocurrency exchange should be launched only through custom development, since only in this way can you ensure the proper quality and security of the software. There are ready-made solutions, scripts, but they, as a rule, are created by amateurs and/or carry risks that there will be many security holes in the code, created on purpose or through oversight. Considering the situation with such frequent hacks of cryptocurrency exchanges, it is not worth the risk. After you choose a developer company, the process of creating a cryptocurrency trading platform will be as follows. Signing a contract. Platform prototyping. Creation of interface design. Direct encoding. Product testing. Deployment and support. Creating your own trading platform, you need to do everything to protect the data and money of your users, especially if you want to create a centralized cryptocurrency exchange. Here's what will help. Protection against denial of service (DOS). Protection of HTTP parameters from pollution. Protection against distributed denial of service (DDoS). Protection against server-side request forgery (SSRF). Protection against cross-site request forgery (CSRF). Two-factor and HTTPS authentication. Biometric authentication. Data encryption. SQL injection. KYC, KYT, ML compliance. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos. Maybe you find it interesting to watch our previous videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Have a good day from Merehead.